Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu states Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to our house. He asked for water. We thereupon milked a goat for him. I then mixed the water of our this well in it and then served it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam consumed that milk. At that time, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was on his left side. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was sitting opposite and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was on his right side. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had consumed the milk, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu Bakr is here, and showed Hazrat Abu Bakr to him. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave that milk to the Bedouin and did not give it to Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhum. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the right siders, the right siders, the right siders. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, it is sunnah, it is sunnah, it is sunnah. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5259.